Welcome to the channel. I go by the name FelloF, and much love from this end. All right, let me share this with my community. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? We're live now, guys. We are live. We are live. We are live. All right. So I want us to do a little top-down analysis. Okay. I want us to do a little top-down analysis, and during this analysis, you need to be smart enough to learn a lot. Okay. You need to be smart enough to learn a lot. Okay. Here we have GBP USD. This is the first pair we'll be looking at, right? This is the first pair we'll be looking at. Okay, so I don't want us to go too far. Let's just start from the daily, okay? I want us to look at it from the daily perspective, all right? So with your naked eyes, you can see everything is clear. We have a clear uptrend because price is creating higher highs and higher lows. As simple as that. An uptrend is made up of higher highs and higher lows. Let me just mark it out for you to see. You see, price made this high, made this low. What the heck? All right, so this is how it looks like. Though we can call all this zone a single structure, but I still respect everything. Okay, low. Had all the way here, high, low, all the way here, high, had this low, had this high, and now we made this low, right? Here is where we are. We all can see the daily is an uptrend. If we shift this beside or side, you see, this is a clear uptrend. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. All right, so we say daily is bullish. Let me increase the size of this so you can see better. Yeah, so we say daily is bullish. All right, now after the daily, we need to go down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours have for us. Perfect. So we have to take out all these lines. I have some of my key levels marked out, right? That's why you see all these lines on the charts, okay? These lines are a couple of key levels. Looking forward to maybe bring up StreamYard a couple of these one of these days. So we will not be going live the way we are right now. We'll be going live with me sharing the screen of my PC, all right? It's gonna be a lot easier, a lot more easier. So this is the 4 hours time frame. You see, price, we are still very bullish, okay? We are still very bullish on this 4 hours, but there is something that is looking fishy for me. So you see, this is the last impulsive move. You see, price came here. So pattern traders will be looking something like a sell around here. So I think this is not really a major change of character on the 4 hours, but it looks like one. So on the 4 hours, we are still bullish, I think. Yes, we are still very bullish on the 4 hours. So we'll bring down this a little. Wow, welcome Daniel, nice to have you here. So we are still not bullish on the 4 hours, you get, because this move doesn't really represent anything significant. So let us say we are still very bullish on the 4 hours. What we should do now is we say 4 hours bullish. All right, H4 is bullish. You get? So now that we are bullish on H4, I think we still have buys on our mind. All right. Okay. The overall trend is still an uptrend. So if we have to follow the overall trend, we should be buying. All right. 2 time frames are in sync. Now let's go to the hourly. This is 1 hour, right? It's 1 hour. All right. Looking at price action, let us do it together, right? If it's bearish, we all know it's bearish, and if it's bullish, we all know it's bullish. Okay. We see we had this move. It came down a retracement, impulsive retracement, and now we had this little consolidation around here. I want us to see everything that happened. Okay. Now we had this move. You realize this move came lower than this, the last low. Did you notice that? It came lower than the last low. If it was a liquidity sweep, I think this is liquidity here. It shouldn't come all the way down lower than this last low. So I see a clean change of character on the 1 hour. Okay. So tell me, what are your thoughts about this? You can say that in the comment section, right? You can say that in the comment section. Do you think we should continue buying or selling? Because the hourly is bearish. 1 hour time frame is bearish. It's bearish. You get? So we actually break structure somewhere around here. Let me show you. So price actually closed below this. So we all can see this is where it happened. Okay. So if you have something different, if you have another thought, if you're thinking something else, tell me what you think about this. So I say the hourly is bearish. Okay. Now, since we get entries on the lower time frame, we'll add another time frame. That should be the 30 minutes, right? We'll add the 30 minutes time frame so that we can know if we should be selling or buying today. All right, today is Monday, but for the week, I have to be honest with you, we are still buying. Hold on, I don't know what's popping. Oh, I have one of my yeah, there's something we did the other day. Let me post it. I don't know. Why did you come up? Do you want my guys to see my channel? Yeah. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. We have shorts, educative shorts. This is one of the people who actually inspired me a lot. Okay. So this is how it go. This is how it is. All right, guys. So we go straight back to our charts. Go straight to our charts. So looking at what we have here, we say the 1 hour is bearish. Okay. H1. Bearish. H1 is bearish. Okay. So now that H1 is bearish, Should we just start selling? Well, I could sell at this point. I'm at times aggressive. So let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. All right. Guys, I'm going to give you a signal right now, live. Okay. If you're with me, let's. I can see a sell on GBP USD. I can see a sell on GBP USD. I'm telling you what I see. I can see a sell on GBP USD. Target a clean 1:2. Like, narrow is not the best. Yeah. So I can see a sell on GBP USD, a clean sell. I'm sharing it with my community right now. A clean sell on GBP USD. Yeah. All right. Now you'll be asking, why am I selling? Well, the 30 minutes tool is bearish for me, right? I see this as a change of character on the 30 minutes, and I have an engulfing candle here, an engulfing candlestick here, telling me price after, like, let me just take my Fibonacci so that you can understand why I'm selling. Okay, if you take the Fib from this high to this low, what do you see? An engulfing around what? Engulfing at above the 50% retracement, between 50 and 61.8. Okay, actually the engulfing it occurred at the 61.8, even between 61.8 and 78, guys. So this tells me, whoa, fellow, you have to sell. Okay, it's simple. This is what I look for in the market. If you don't believe it, look for your own setup. Okay, look for your own setup. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So let me share this now with my guys. We are risking approximately 42 pips on this trade. Copy image. Let me see what's popping. All right, guys, now the academy has expanded, and what we have here now is what we call the Wall Street of Africa. Okay, GBP USD. So SL, let's check the SL, guys. SL 1.37724, 1.37724. All right, guys, let's see how Monday looks like. Let's see what Monday is going to give us. Okay, let me see. There's already a setup in the inner cycle. Yeah, another person has dropped the setup in the inner cycle. Okay, perfect. You see, this is a trade that has been given by one of the mentors in the inner cycle. You get? So guys, don't play. You see, once you become a trader, once you become profitable, you understand what the market is telling you. It works out like magic. Okay, it works like magic. Hi Solomon, nice to have you here. So that's it, guys. We should be targeting a clean 1:2. This should be approximately 95 pips or 96 pips. Yeah, profit target. Okay, so that's what we have on GBP USD. Guys, are you in this trade with us? You share your profits with us. Okay, it's gonna be amazing. We are hoping to have a great week. We are hoping to have a great week. We are hoping to have a great week, guys. So I'm not going to share this trade again in the inner cycle because it is already running. Someone has already shared it. You see, I care about the inner cycle, but I also care about you guys. So it's not like I love only my inner circle. Hmm? I love you guys as well. So what do we do next? There is a channel, Anzo Afrique. Okay, Anzo Afrique. Please give me a second. So we have this channel, Anzo Afrique. It will be shared on Telegram right now. Be shared on Telegram right now. I think I will also add the link to our description after this live. Yes, I'll add it. So if you're not a part of the Telegram channel, the links are below. Join the Telegram channel so that you receive signals back to back. You see, I just dropped the signal, right? Yeah, the links are in the description. Bienvenue à tout le monde. J'espère qu'il y a aussi le francophone ici, les gens qui parlent français, français. Et je suis sûr que vous êtes déjà dans le trade ici. C'est livre sterling contre le dollar américain. On est en train de vendre ça et vous pouvez aussi bénéficier de ça. C'est un bon signal pour aujourd'hui. C'est le début de la nouvelle semaine. Guys, I can speak French. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right, guys. So that's it. That's it. The thing is, we have a French community as well. We have a French community as well. So that's what's popping. Anzo Afrique. Anzo Afrique. I don't think. Oh, it's not yet been shared. I think it should be shared. All right, I'm looking for the link so that you guys can actually gain access to the channel, to the YouTube channel where we'll be doing live back to back, because here we'll not be doing live always. Okay, we'll be dropping signals live. Okay, that's what I want for you guys. We'll be dropping signals live back to back. So that's why I'm looking forward to give you the name of the channel. It's Anzo Afrique. Anzo Afrique. Anzo Afrique. Okay, Anzo Afrique. That's the name of the channel. I don't have it on my PC, that's why I'm giving you the name, Anzo Afrique. So you, after this live, you do a research, you search it and subscribe to the channel so that you can benefit from our live sessions. Okay. So instead of the FelloF Academy, now we have the Wall Street of Africa. Okay, the Wall Street of Africa. Don't bother. The reasons will be shared to you later. But guys, join the academy. Join the Telegram channel so that you can benefit. All right. So now, what is the next pair we'll be trading? I actually have a trade running on GBP AUD. I shared this trade earlier last week. Late last week, sorry, not early. I shared it late last week. So I'm currently in the trade. Okay. I'm currently in it. It's a sell. Okay. This trade, you can. It's not too late. I'm targeting 1:5. Okay. It's not too late. If you're interested, you can as well participate. You can get a position and let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. But manage your risk properly because we must not hit TP. We might as well hit SL. Okay. So on this trade, I'm not doing any analysis on the trade I already have running. So let's look at USD JPY. Okay. Oh, this is USD card. Oh man. See, I had a pending order here. Sorry, I had this order here, but I did not place a pending order on my charts, and this occurred at night. It triggered at night when I wasn't active, so I did not take the trade. Okay. I did not take this trade. I missed it out. I missed this trade, which was supposed to be in massive profits right now. If I took the trade, I would have been around 1:2 at this point. Nice day. I've been around 1:2 by now. So I missed the trade on USD card, but we got this one, so it's so cool, you know. It is always cool. The reason why I did not place a pending order here because I still had this trade running, so I could not do otherwise. I don't like to do as if I am controlling the market, so I had to wait for the setup to validate before I sell, sorry. Okay, so let's go. And this is what we have going on USD card. So I'm looking forward to continue selling. Okay, the sales I think might continue. Let me take my extension levels. Okay, this is the last high before this move. The last high. So I take my fib from the high to the low. Okay, so I think this is where we have our TP. So if you get the, let me take up the fib. Yeah, perfect. So we have a trade running, okay? We still have a trade running. So we are expecting, sorry, this ought to be our trade running, but we did not trigger because we did not enter. So what we should be expecting now is a retracement. If we get another good retracement, let's go down to the 4 hours to see, because we are still very bearish on this, okay? You see, it gave us a retracement already. Took out the liquidity. No, not yet. Yeah, it took it out. Took out the liquidity above the zone. If we were live, we would have taken the trade. But I had other trades running. So on UJ, on GA, sorry, in GBP AUD. So that's why we did not take the trade. Okay. So let's see how it goes. If you get a good retracement, a good entry, you continue to sell to the trend to the downside. Okay. I'm still selling USD cards. So you should be looking for sales this week on USD card. While on GBP USD sold, you shared it because nothing. Link an image of Enzo Capital YouTube channel so that those who are following me live now can can subscribe. Like I said, we are still very bullish on GBP USD, right? We are still very bullish.